Sek and Hakit Maga. We have Hakit Maga on defense, standing on defense in darks. And the disc is with Vesh, who's pulling. Starting ratio is 4-3. We will alternate ratios with 4-3 and opens. Okay. Farag Sek on offense. Charm with the disc. PD with the reset. To Tuhin with again PD. To Gaurav. To Prakash. There's a travel call. There's a travel call. Still a stoppage for some reason. And score. Farag Sek scores. The score is 1-0 to Farag Sek. And a brick call. Jay with the disc. Jay to Ram. Back to Jay. To Kitty. Kitty throws to Ram. And a fumble and a drop. A break chance for Farag Sek. Tuhin going for the disc. To Gaurav. To PD. PD to Tuhin. Again to PD. Again to Tuhin. And to Jocelyn. And a score. Oh no, it's a travel call. And a throw to Gaurav and a score. First break of the finals. Score is 2-0 to Hakit Sek, Farag Sek. Tuhin with the pull. Joel picks up, center set. Gets it back to Jay. Sajid to Jay. Jay to Sajid. Sajid to Jay. Again to Sajid. To Adarsh. Adarsh to Joel. Joel. Others back to Jay. Close call. Sajid. Playing a comfortable low. Short passes, no risky passes. Nice throw by Jay. Nice grab by Jay, by Sajid. And it's a turnover. And a drop by and was a drop by Gaurav. Jay went for a quick break and it's a contact call now. On that side, not on there. Not here. It's a contested call. This Sajid. And a score by Jai. Akidmaga scores their first point. The score is now 2-1 to Forex. It's a break call. 2 in, getting to the pick mark. And it's a drop by Cham. Vaishnavi gets the disc. Vaishnavi to Jha. Jha to Mamta. Mamta to Jha again. Jha to Joel. Joel to Adarsh. Adarsh to Vesh. Vesh to Joel. Joel to Dhara. Back to Joel. Joel throws for Adarsh and it's a D. It's a great D by PD. Charm to Prakash. Prakash to Alak, but it's a drop. Venkat. Venkat. Can you ask people to move from here? Those who are not doing anything.
After this point then.
No, not you. There are different, more people there.
It's just two of us here.
Yeah. Desk. Joel picks up the desk. To Dhara. To Mamta. Mamta looks ahead. Gives it to Vesh. To Dhara. To Adarsh. Adarsh gives it to Joel. And a pick call.
Lovely, nice one done there. Clear, Barry, center. Clear, guys. Barry, run back.
Adarsh with the rescue throw. And it's a drop. PD throws, hugs for Prakash. And Prakash gets the disc and scores. The score is 3-1 for Hugs in favor of Hugs. We have a pull by Charmi. Javed that is to Sajid. To Vesh. Back to Jay. To Sajid. Looks for Jovel. Nice 1-2. To Vesh. Vesh to Dhara. Dhara to Vesh. Vesh to Dhara. To Sajid. A good bid by Nidhi. Vesh to Jovel. So he looks for a reset and finds Adarsh in the center of the field. Nice breakthrough. Sajid. Sajid to Vesh. Vesh to Jovel.
सब लोग घुस गए अंदर फील्ड
As the score, Sajid, Jovel to Sajid. There was a contact. Hakit Maka scores. The score is 3-2 in favor of Farhak's sake. Farhak's sake is ready. Jovel for the pull. And a long fast pull. And a good pull by Jovel. Landing in the end zone. Tuhin to Prakash. Prakash back to Tuhin. Again. Tuhin to Gaurav. PD looks for an upline, gets it. PD throws a blazer and is deed. It is deed by Anand Jam. Joel picking up the disc, but Sajid Joel looking for cuts. Joel throws for Noin, but there's a drop.
Force back!
We have PD on disc. PD to Tuhin. Tuhin back to PD. To Karan. Karan looking for cuts. Back to PD. PD calling for a stack. And Gaurav. And scored. PD to Gaurav. Farak's sake scored their 4 points. The score is 4-2 in favor of Farak's sake. Tuhin with a bull. Joel with a huck to Shivesh. And it's a score. And it's a score.
+1.
Hey.
Half time at +1.
So we have Shivesh score. The score is now 4-3 to Farak's sake. Vaishnavi with the pull. With a great pull.
Easy, we got this!
Tuhin to PD. Back to Tuhin.
Handling, you're playing God stack.
PD centering to Charm. To Gaurav.
That's a great floaty throw there. Score here. 4-3. Who's 4?
Guys, side line. PD with the disc. PD with the inside break. And it's a throwaway. Looks like Farak's sake is putting a zone, a cup zone. A great cross. Vaishnavi looking for resets. Finds Sajid. Sajid to Adarsh. Adarsh asking for a deep cut.
That's a deep shot.
And throws.
Out. 3 people behind the desk. Oh, nice one.
Joel gets down with the disc and
Joel to Mansi and that's a score. 4-4 and we're back. 4 all.
I was going to
we have a score is 4-all.
Let's go.
Hakit Maka bringing it to equal. We will have half after this point.
half after this point. Both teams would look to score this point and the half on a high. Let's see who gets the first half.
We have Vaishnavi with the pull. The ratio is changed to 4-3. And again a great pull by Vaishnavi. PD picks up the disc to Tuhin. Back to PD. Charm with a horizontal cut. Tuhin gets the reset. Back to PD. Back to Tuhin. Back to PD. They're doing 1-2s. To Charm. Back to PD.
That's a deep cut going. Yes, sir.
Current to Josen. Josen looking for cuts. Looks for Tuhin. Josen. Josen to PD. Resets a safe.
The red zone. Oh, there's a break.
PD to Josen.
And
PD to Nidhi. And that's a score. For Rak's sake, take the half with 5-4 score. We will be back in 2 minutes. Okay, we are starting the second half. For Rak's sake is starting on D. The ratio is opens. And looks like Tuhin is pulling. Hakit Maga is ready with the line.
you put it down. That kurkure was eaten here.
Tuhin with the pull.
Is it outside? No, it's not. No, only few people can play it.
Brick is called. The disc will start from the brick mark. Jay is walking up the disc to the brick mark. Jay to Shivesh. A nice breakthrough to Ja. Back to Jay.
Another through the cup.
Jay to Ram. Ram, a nice break to Shivesh. To Ja. Ja gives it to others, saves it. The strip call accepted.
Come behind. That
This is it live. It is live with audio.
another break through the cup.
Johnson gets the D.
So B and
PD. There is PD to Karan. Karan back to PD. To Gaurav. Gaurav back to PD. Back to Gaurav. Back to PD. PD is doing. PD fakes a hammer, gives it to Tuhin, to Jocelyn, and it's a score. It's a bookend. It's a bookends by Jocelyn. A nice break also for Forak's sake. The score is 6-4 to Forak's sake. Tuhin with a pull. It's an opens point. Again. Jay catching the pull. Centers it to Joel. Joel to Ram. Ram to Sajid. Sajid with patient throws. Back to Sajid.
Support.
Sajid with a hammer to Adarsh and he gets it.
Great catch from Adarsh.
Adarsh looks for a hug to Joel.
Under the disc.
Let's go, Prakash!
And it's a D. And it's an uncontested D by Prakash.
Great D there.
Prakash है. ऊपर रहा.
Forak's sake looking for a second break in the half. Tuhin brings the disc to the line and a timeout call.
Defense ready. Defense ready. Skin 1. Scoring 2. Scoring 3. Scoring 4. Up. Yes. Jaldi. Up. Scoring 1. Scoring 2. Scoring 3. Scoring 4. Up. Go. Nice.
Tuhin doing 1-2s and a good layout by Prakash. A good save by Prakash. That helps Forak's sake to score the 7th point. Charm with the pull. It rolls to the center. Sajid walking up to the desk. It's a zony look by Forak's sake. Sajid to Adarsh. Adarsh sends it across the field to Joel and a great layout save. Joel again sends across field to Sajid. Sajid is looking for cuts. Gives it to Joel in the center of the field. Again a high release and Sajid scores. Sajid gives the pass to Adarsh and Adarsh scores. A good point for Hakit Makam. They stretch the field out using the sideline to sideline. And the score is now 7-5 to Forak's sake. Vaishnavi again with a great pull. Run off to PD. They're doing 1-2s. Tuhin to Charm to Karan. Karan to Tuhin. Tuhin breaks the mark and Gaurav with a toe drag. And it's a score. Gaurav comes down with that disc with a score. Forak's sake scores another. The score is 8-5 in favor of Forak's sake. Tuhin with a pull. The ratio is 7. It's opens. Jay to Vaishnavi. Vaish looking for cuts. Looks for Adarsh. Adarsh wants resets and he gets Ananja gets the reset. Vaishnavi again. Vaishnavi calls a strip and it's an accepted call. And it's a violation call. To Adarsh. Adarsh looking for cuts. Adarsh hucks it to Sajid. And it's a score. And it's a score. And it's called a score. A great effort by Sajid, which pays off. These are the points. The score is now 8-6 to Hakit Maga. Uh, 8-6. Joel pulling. And a great pull. It shouldn't go out or it's going out. It's the second test that's went over that fence in this match itself.
Soft cup. 8-6. 2 minutes to soft cup.
Starting from the sideline. Tuhin with the disc to Karan. Karan to back to Tuhin. Tuhin to PD. Looking for a center to Tuhin. Tuhin to Karan. Karan to PD. PD to Karan. PD to PD gives a cross field, but it's very short. A break chance for Hackett Maga. Novin to Ram. Ram to Adarsh. Adarsh hucks it for Joel. And Joel gets the disc. Joel to Ram. Ram to Joel. And it's a score. Hackett Maga gets the break. They only need one more break to equal the score. The score is 8-7 to Farrak's sake. Hey, check the time.
1 minute.
Vash with the pull. PD to discuss with Tuhin. Tuhin to PD. If they score this point, they win the Rise Up League 2025. Tuhin to Gaurav and great upline. I think it's a travel call on Gaurav. Gaurav to Karan. Karan to PD. PD to Gaurav again. Gaurav to Karan. And a throw away by Karan. It gives Hackett Maga a chance to break. Joel hucks for Adarsh and it's a D by PD. PD gets a block. If Forex scores this point, they win the Rise Up League 2025. Tuhin picking up the disc. PD with the in cut. PD gets the disc. Tuhin
Another D.
and Vash gets the D. Sajid to Vash. Vash to Joel. Joel to Dhara. Dhara back to Vash. Vash to Sajid. Vash to Adarsh. Adarsh hucks it. Adarsh hucks for Joel. And it's a D. And Tuhin gets a D.
Oh, that was nice.
It's a call.
Okay. It's a call on Adarsh. Or Adarsh made a call. I think Adarsh is calling a defensive foul call on the mark, which is saying affected the throw, and the call is contested. This comes back to Adarsh. The call is contested. This starts with Adarsh. Adarsh to Sajid. Sajid to Vash. Vash centers it to Sajid. Sajid sends it. PD gets another block. Tuhin picking up the disc. Hard tap. There is hard tap.
Clear sideline, clear sideline.
Gaurav. Others sends it to Anand. And it's a score.
8-all, 8-all. Universal.
The score is now 8-all. And it's a game to 9. Let's prepare ourselves for another universal in the finals. That's how these teams have been competitively playing. Vash with the pull.
Let's go.
Tuhin to PD. PD to Tuhin.
Starting 6. Starting 7. Yeah.
And Forasek scores. Charm scores the last point and Forasek wins the Rise Up 2025 league. These are your winners of Rise Up League 2025 for Huck's sake.